Toyota 4Runner 1 2.1-inch navigation system installation tutorial. Pry off the face frame. Disconnect the cables connected at the back. Take out the storage box. Unscrew the screw at this position. Remove the large panel. Pry open the air conditioning panel. Unplug the air conditioning wires. Unscrew the screw at the keyhole trim position. There are 2 screws on the left side. Unscrew both of them. Use a pry tool to pry open the panel. Remove the face frame. Unplug the wires connected to the panel. Take out these original car accessories and install them onto the new panel. Remove the air vents on both sides. Take off the original car clips. Install the clips onto the new face frame. Unscrew the screw at this position. Remove the CD player and unplug its connected wires. Connect the power cable. Connect the steering wheel control cable. Connect the air conditioning cable. Connect the protocol cable properly as well. These other plugs do not need to be connected. Only required for vehicles with an amplifier. This vehicle in the video does not need it. Power cable. Serial port cable. Radio cable. Screw on the GPS antenna. Connect the audio cable at this position properly. Connect the USB cable as well. Each plug at these positions needs to be properly connected. The size and position of the plugs are a perfect fit. This port is for the reverse gear wire. All original car plugs must be connected properly. Wiring is finished. Install the main unit. Set up the CAN bus. Password 1617. Password 1617. Check the box. Raise. Toyota 4Runner 2007 to 2017. The vehicle in this video is equipped with single zone air conditioning. Select single zone. Tap OK. The system will restart automatically to save settings. Air conditioning test. Temperature. Both knobs and buttons can be operated. CarPlay. Radio. Video playback. Video cable. Copy your favorite wallpapers via a USB drive and change them at any time. Connect Bluetooth. This is the entire installation process. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your trust and choice of our products.